Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, tapless fuel filler system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.